Hi everyone, this is Karen Abelian. Welcome back again sa ating mini vlog. So for today's video ay dadalhin ko kayo sa aming retreat day which is happened last May 16, 2026 and late ko siya ma-edit or ma-upload. It's because yung phone ko hindi na kayang mag-run ng magbibigat na apps like yung mga editing apps and I feel so bad about it kasi I love editing and I love filming some of my moments like that. So let's move forward. So nangyari pala yung aming retreat last May 16, 2026. So, bali yung naganap noon is doon kami natulog ng one night. Tapos kinabukasan noon is uuwi na kami. So, and na yung cost ng aming retreat is 1,600 each student. So, yeah, we need to pay talaga para naman sa aming food and shelter doon. So, yung call time pala namin that time, it's 7:30 a.m. So, before mag 8 o'clock, dapat nandun na kami sa venue kasi i-orient pa kami before yung main event. So, yeah. Yung aming location ng aming retreat house, retreat day is dito sa rest house ng Don Bosco and it's so good. Ang ganda dito. Nakaka-relax yung mismong venue pero the weather is not giving kasi kahit ang daming kahoy, grabe yung init. As in, walang hangin. Alam mo ba yung kahit nakaupo ka sa mismong ilalim ng kahit supposedly malamig kasi nga 'di ba kahoy tapos maraming kahoy talaga. Pero wala talagang hangin kahit isa. Grabe yung aming pagsasuffer doon. So, ayan. And after nun is dumating na kami dito sa Don Bosco and I'm so happy and excited. And this is the Don Bosco Retreat House. So, malaki din siya and hindi lang kami yung nag-retreat that day. Meron ding ibang schools pero hindi namin sila nakita kasi we are not allowed to hindi kami pwedeng pumunta doon sa iba yung ano ba yun, yung sa kabilang retreat house. Meron kasi yun sa kabila. Tapos, yun. And pagkatapos ng aming retreat day is kinabukasan, yung mga nangyari is morning no, nag-orientation. Tapos, ng orientation is meron kaming discussion. Ang pagkatapos ng discussion, meron kaming snack, food and all. And pagkatapos ng discussion ng morning is kinontinue ng until 3 p.m. And afternoon is meron yung mga Catholic persons, mga students is meron silang confession. Pagkatapos ng confession is yung ng mass, nag-prepare sila ng mass. Pagkatapos ng mass is nag-dinner na kami. Pagkatapos ang last activity namin sa gabi hanggang 11 p.m. ng gabi is meron kaming sharing. So, meron kaming iba't ibang. So, meron tatlong questions. So, yung first questions doon kay what holds you back of becoming a better person. Tapos, yung last yung pangalawang question is are you ready to face the real world as a degree holder? And the last question is what are your challenges or obstacles you are being experienced as student. So, yun yung mga isi-share mo. So, yun. And, yun yung mga questions and sad to say is hindi ako nakashare as a whole class kasi nga, diba, we are running out of time and meron kasing curfew doon kahit na private property siya meron kaming curfew. So ayun, ipinagpatuloy lang namin sa loob ng room and we are not allowed to use our cell phones inside. So yung nangyari is wala kaming mga memories inside wala akong mapapakitang pictures inside the, yung sa dormitory, yung kung saan kami natutulog. But the place, it's so good. Nakakatulog talaga kami kasi malamig din siya kasi meron naman ding aircon yung aming room. Pero grabe talaga, hindi talaga yung lamig ng aircon sa around 4 to 5 p.m. sa akin kasi talagang mernes pinapawisan pa din ako kasi mayroon kasi akong sakit. Yeah, that is the reason why. So, yeah, yan yung mga nangyari sa aming retreat day, and I think that would be all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye!